Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will discuss about Layer State Manager. The concept of Layer State Manager is modifying your layer properties in your layout paper space without changing the original drawing in model space. Okay, let's see how it works. So for now, I will create a layer. Just a sample, for example, rectangle. Let's see, red, circle, or square. Let's say blue. And then edits, green. Okay, and then circle. Let's hatch it. Okay, let's go to your layout paper space, and when you do layer properties, you have to go to layout and then go to model space and then create new one. For example, layout 1, and in layout 1, for example, you don't all your colors should be, you don't want to make it all black, or let's say except the circle. For example, you all want this black aside from circle. And then make current. And then in paper space, in layout 2, let's say create a new one, layout 2. You want to make it all blue. Close. Always remember, if you are making a layer properties, go inside in the model space, and then so let's see how you see how it works. This layer state manager, layout 2 is all blue, and then layout 1, and then your model, without changing the original drawing in your model space. So that is the concept of layer State Manager. This is same, almost same as Plot Style Manager. If you don't want to show, for example, the ellipse, you can change it. Save, close. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you. Bye.